Today's orders by the Supreme Court renders a notification that had been issued to swear in the Meru County Assembly Speaker as a governor in an acting position null and void, at least until Wednesday next week. The Supreme Court's two-judge bench, led by Justices Jackton Ojwang and Smokin Wanjala, said they will make a further ruling on Wednesday whether to entertain the petition by Munya or not. In the application, Munya's lawyers, Professor Tom Ojenda and Okongo Omogeni, said that his application is based on constitutional matters as the Court of Appeal erred and infringed on the former governor's rights to a fair trial. They said that public interest should outweigh an individual's interest, as the first respondent in the case is not interested in the governor's seat. They also argued that if the Supreme Court overturns the Court of Appeal judgment, then that will save the taxpayer over 300 million shillings that will be spent by Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission in preparation for a gubernatorial by-election in Meru. However, Mudhomi Thiankulu, for the first respondent, objected, saying the Supreme Court has no jurisdiction to hear the petition and should dismiss it. He added that not all cases emanating from the Court of Appeal should be presented before the Supreme Court, as this will open a floodgate for other cases to find their way to the highest court on land.
This is the highest court in the land, and it is the only court that has final say on constitutional matters. So we think it will settle the law eventually, so that we don't have uncertainty on what the law is. We cannot have different courts making different decisions on constitutional matters. So this is the authoritative court that has a final say on these matters, and that will settle these matters once and for all.
Halligan Agade for the News Hour.